Abu Dhabi International Airport. The journey to India starts here.
متحركة تتيح لك الوصول إلى شبكة الإنترنت واستخدام هذه الكلام متحركة على متن الطائرة. تبدأ باقات الاتصال بالإنترنت جديدة من ساعة 3.
Just arrived in Delhi, India. Flight was amazing. The immigration process was very easy, like 2 minutes. The baggage area, I only got a backpack. The first solo trip away from Europe. I feel excited. So made it outside. Time for internet, SIM card. This city is a chaos. I got scammed, like they trying to sell you everything. I was just looking for buying train tickets, and they told me to go to like a private tourist agencies. Tell me now.
Yeah, very nice.
Where should I go? To tourist office again?
This is a tourist.
This one. Yeah, okay.
It's very cheap train, park, everything.
Very cheap. Yeah.
Yeah. You go there in second.
Okay.
You go inside.
Okay.
Thank you. So why not go?
Later.
Why not go there?
I was fucking there before. Turns out that India is a bureaucratic country. 2 hours for a train ticket. Wow. I've been to Cairo, Egypt, and I thought it was a chaotic city, but this is 10 times worse. I see a shocking situation here. It's a total chaos. This is the New Delhi Central Rail Station. Thousands of people everywhere. dirtiest water I've ever seen. And the Taj Mahal. Hello, Taj Mahal. Hello, how are you? يلا يلا. تمام. 6 a.m. line for Taj Mahal. 6 in the morning and it's already packed with people in Taj Mahal. The security is even worse than an airport one.
Mostly some people prefer to the guide. Any official tour guide, brother? Actually, there are 7 buildings to see. Black Tiger Foundation, Optical Engineering. Hello? Nice, now? Mohammed Noor?
This place is so peaceful and majestic. One of the 7 wonders of the world. They say that tap water in India is not good. They make you sick. Let's try.
Tap water in India very good, very tasty, not bad at all.
Just checked about my train tomorrow back to New Delhi, and I found out that it's like a 3 days train, 3,000 kilometers. So actually, this train started 2 days ago. Wow. First time on a sleeper coach on Indian Railways.
Yeah, my name is Sachin. I live in Agra and my job location is Delhi.
Delhi, New Delhi.
Yeah, New Delhi.
So you travel every day to work or like every week?
Yeah, I have to travel every day for work, but in weekends I go to home. My home is in Agra.
In Agra.
Yeah, I love to travel India. India is a good country to travel. There is lots of states, 29 states in India. You can travel India in specific manners. You can find specific religions, get together so that you can know more about India. And India is a peaceful country. You can live here freely. There is no issue living here. Or you love to travel India. You can.
Thank you, Sajid. Okay.